Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole Rogers, a board-certified dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon. August is National Hair Loss Awareness Month, and here at Hair Restoration of the South, we are prepared and look forward to helping you meet your hair regrowth needs. We treat a variety of hair loss conditions, including both non-scarring and scarring hair loss, such as male and female pattern hair loss, alopecia areata, lichen planopilaris, frontal fibrosing alopecia, central centrifugal cicatricial alopecia, and traction alopecia, to name a few. You'll notice when you come here that we are still maintaining COVID precautions. We are asking that our patients continue to mask with us for just a little bit longer as questions remain about this pandemic. You'll also notice that we keep our doors slightly cracked or open with fans blowing to maintain excellent ventilation. You'll also see plenty of hand sanitizer wherever you look. If you don't feel comfortable coming in person to the office, you are welcome to set up a virtual at-home consultation either through my office staff, or you may book it directly on the website yourself. Either way, we look forward to working with you and helping you achieve your goals for hair regrowth.